welcome back to the Tune Project, or welcome if it's your first time here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the tune Tennessee Waltz, so stay tuned. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I invite you to consider hitting that red subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get into this A part of the Tennessee Waltz. We are in the key of D major for this one, which means we have two sharps. So make sure that you are comfortable in that key. And we are in 3/4 time since this is a waltz. We're going to be starting right on open D, and we have two 8th note pickups. Alright, so we're playing the exact same rhythms and the exact same notes twice in a row. Now we're going to come up to the A string starting on our 3rd finger D, and then we're going to go up to the E string during this phrase. Alright, so again, we're staying with that same rhythmic pattern that we started with. Next, we're going to start on a C sharp on the A string. Alright, so that time our rhythm changed slightly. We had more quarter notes there, and at the end we had that long sustained E where we held it out for 5 beats with that little F sharp in between. Now we go on to repeat the first 2 phrases of the tune with a slightly different ending. So I'll go ahead and play those first 2 phrases that we already learned, and then we'll learn this ending. Alright, and here is our last phrase starting on a C sharp. So now let's go ahead and play what we've learned so far together. I'll play it all at a slow tempo so that you can play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that is the whole A part. So unlike in a standard old time or bluegrass tune where we play the A part and the B part each twice, in this case, since this is a song that has lyrics, we have a verse and a chorus. So we had what I referred to as the A section, that was our verse, and now we're moving into the B section or our chorus. So we don't repeat that verse, instead we just move right along into the chorus. So that's what we're gonna learn now. So picking up into this chorus, we're gonna start on our D on the A string. Alright, and there we ended on open E. And then next we're going to come up to our F sharp, our 1st finger on the E string. Okay, so again, identical rhythms there, different notes. And then moving into this 3rd phrase. Again with that long sustained E with the F sharp in the middle of it. And now we go back to what we played for the last 2 phrases of the A part. So hopefully you recognize these notes. now let's go back and play all of this B section or chorus together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, that was all of the Tennessee Waltz. I hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. If you did, again, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and happy practicing. If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!